Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, straight from me agent Mike Makab. I-Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, they've shown interest yokusayina ucoach we-Golden Arrows uManqoba Mngqithi. Indaba enkulu kakhulu, straight from me agent ukuthi babonisile i-interest ama-2 Soweto Giants. Uyavuma i-agent laphana uthi kube ikhona i-interest, uthi of course ulokhunjani uManqoba Mngqithi angakwazi ukumaneja laphana ama-big side. Kuthiwa-ke already ukwazile ukumaneja iMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi-ke into emi-interestayo laphana uManqoba Mngqithi bafethu i-project e-right, not just i-size ye-team ukuthi ucoach i-team enkulu. Obviously i-ability yakhe bafethu ukuthi-ke uyakwazi ukucoach ama-team amakhulu or even nama-team amancane. Once as long as nje bakwazi ukumnika ama-resources a-right elikini ne-strength. Obviously uyayazi league man yase-South Africa ama-strength nama-weaknesses nokunye okuningi. Une-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, uyawazi ama-player, wazi izinto ey'ningi bafethu. And siyazi ukuthi i-Golden Arrows, he was not this strong just before yena afika. Manje i-Golden Arrows one of the strongest teams. I mean, bashaya iMamelodi Sundowns, they could have easily buried iMamelodi Sundowns bashaya boma-3, but-ke bayishaye 1-0. And yonke igame edlala ne-Golden Arrows manje seyiyinzinyana. Bakuma-semi-finals waku-Carling knockout. I mean, i-run egudi kakhulu and uke waba i-champion. The last time i-Golden Arrows iwin i-cup, guess ubani kwayi-coach? uManqoba Mngqithi. So uyazi kahle kakhulu i-league yase-South Africa, maybe angaba yi-success for i-Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates. Siyazi ukuthi uney'nkulumo ey'ningi ezithi umuntu wase-South Africa akumelanga coach ama-teams wase-Soweto. So kuyinorm nje, kumele kube nomlungu. Hayi ngoba thina, hayi. But I mean, obviously South African football again bafethu, ama-headlines lawa amakhulu. I think in the next few hours kuzoba ama-headlines all over the place ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibonise i-interest kuManqoba Mngqithi ne-Orlando Pirates ba-linked to lo muntu lona. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs, if ama-co-coaches ayahluleka, they can try and go all out for Manqoba Mngqithi. Bayakholelwa ukuthi angakwazi ukushintsha izinto laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, to be honest bafethu, ucoach efana noManqoba Mngqithi une-reputation enhle kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa because of uyalazi ibhola lase-South Africa is one of the brightest minds or the sharpest minds laphana ku-PSL. Secoacha isikhathi eside, akaqalanga ukucoacha le phezulu, uqala ukucoacha le emathimini amancane bafethu, wakhuphuka. Why? Because of uyalithanda ibhola. So I mean, angakwazi ngempela ukucoach ama-big teams, but i-pressure ukuthi angakwazi ukukhandle i-pressure yase-Soweto. Siyazi ukuthi uMamelodi Sundowns kwenzakalani mabamxosha bamreplace ngoMiguel Cardoso, but-ke yena I mean uyakwazi ukucoach. Well, obviously akacoach nje ama-superstars nje kuphela, but uyakwazi ukuthatha ama-youngstars awenza ama-superstars. Uthanda i-team ediscipline, ama-tactics wakhe agudi kakhulu, obviously from kuma-grassroots level mabaqala abafana, ngoba uke wacoach even nakuma-junior side, not just ukuthi uvele waba yi-coach ku-senior. Igama lakhe obviously elikhulu walenza bafethu ku-Golden Arrows, kula safike sambona khona ku-Golden Arrows ukuthi okay, uyakwazi ukucoach i-team ene-brand of football athi ekhaya, wathusa i-league, wathusa nabantu abaningi. Ngeke sikhohlwe bafethu ku-M10 8 la ashaya khona 6, ashaya i-Ajax, cabanga 6 bafethu. I remember that day like it was yesterday, because ama-player amaningi laphana e-Golden Arrows wa-attract interest serious from ama-teams amakhulu wasebholeni lase-South Africa, maningi ababatransfera. Cabanga i-Golden Arrows, that was the first and last trophy engabona mina bayiwina under yena. I mean, uKhama akekho too reactive laphana ebhentshini ukuthi uyaphapha, uyakhuluma kakhulu. No, it's not. But-ke so mawukhuluma nama-journalists so uyamuzwa ukuthi is very vocal, but in terms of frustration yakhe kakhulu njengamanye ama-coach ebhentshini ngeke uyibone. Uyal-understand ibhola deep, obviously-ke ability yakhe ukuthi asebenzise ama-resources amancane kuma-teams amancane ukuthi akwazi ukusukuma yena akhule abe one of the most respected teams, abe one of the most respected coaches ebholeni lase-South Africa ukuthi azakhele igama. Siyazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns-ke obviously yambiza laphana, wajoyina obviously i-dream team under uPitso Mosimane noRhulani Mokoena uSteve Komphela naye wajoyina kulaba siza khona-ke, baqala i-dominance e-strong eMamelodi Sundowns, babuilda i-foundation e-strong. I remember even uPitso Mosimane emelokhu edominated, bathi umsebenzi kaManqoba Mngqithi abantu, but-ke once he was at the helm sokuyi-head coach, they were calling for his head i-team mayingenzi kahle, but-ke during isikhathi sakaPitso Mosimane bebam-highlight, bamsalutha. Yeah, I mean uManqoba Mngqithi again uPitso Mosimane once he left iMamelodi Sundowns ukwazile ukukhuphuka abe one of the co-coaches yena noRhulani Mokwena under influence of iMamelodi Sundowns again ibe imachine yaba-organize yaba-clinical but unfortunately abakwazanga ukuwina i-Continental Football which is i-CAF Champions League le iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna kakhulu. Asiyeni ku-record lakhe awana-go to i-record lakhe ukuthi ucoach emaphi amathimu nanokuthi why lo muntu angaba yi-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngizovala ngakho before ngivala. Udume obvious at the moment ucoach i-Golden Arrows but ubuya kuMamelodi Sundowns as i-manager but before aba yi-manager was head of first team football. Uke waba yi-caretaker coach kuMamelodi Sundowns, assistant coach. Uke wacoach iChippa United bafowethu. Then uke wacoach amaZulu akudala-ke la i-Golden Arrows and then uke wacoach-ke ama-teams-ke amancane-ke bafowethu Maritzburg City, Moja United, Highlanders and University of KwaZulu-Natal. Izinto ezingekho kuma-record lezi because of simbona sele phezulu esicongweni and nawo ama-record wakhe in terms of ukuwina i-league. Uwina i-league kawu-5 bafowethu, Carling Knockout kayi-1, M10 8 kawu-2 Nedbank Cup kayi-1 and then siyazi CAF Champions League bekhona iMamelodi Sundowns mayiwina so unayo i-CAF Champions League. Ne-Africa, what is this? Africa Football League. Yes, nayo leyo nalelo cup lelo ukwazile ukuluwina. Manje current ku-Golden Arrows bafowethu bambizile again ku-Golden Arrows wabuya i-return abantu abaningi bathe hayi step is taking a step back or i-demotion ubuyela phansi but-ke I mean yena uyibone different lento lo uyibone as a chance ukuthi a-rebuild i-career yakhe aziprove once again ukuthi angakwazi ukuba i-success. Golden Arrows bafowethu obviously ngebudget encane but uyakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke nanokusayina ama-player right, abuild i-structure esi-right ne-teamwork ne-believe laphana ku-Golden Arrows. What is happening ku-Golden Arrows manje? I-Golden Arrows ayidlali bafowethu, it's a formidable team. I-team manje strong. Obviously leader wondlovu badlala kahle ne-striker sabo siyi-leading top goal scorer uDion. Cabanga uDion dala sokunesikhashana adlala ku-Betway Premiership but-ke besingamnaki kakhulu but-ke manje under uManqoba Mngqithi uyakwazi ukumdlalisa right nangumfana uyakwazi uwashaya amagoli laphana. Seba-organized laphana elikini ba-compact at the back, ba-confident even naku-ball position, ba-brave kuma-transition, ba-quick kuma-transition ngeke ulunge. Ubani I think uKhumalo lona omunye naye ogood ama-player amaningi sevele aphaphama avuka under uManqoba Mngqithi. So uyakwazi ukuthatha ama-players a-average awenze abe strong, abe highly influential ebholeni. He can turn like ama-average players into discipline unity. Obviously-ke maba-understand i-method yakhe right, control i-tempo of the game, dominate ama-spaces, ama-intelligence play even if noma i-team yakhe iba-organize noma ingaliphethanga ibhola. So Naturena nalaphana e-Orlando Parktown bayamfuna uManqoba Mngqithi. I-agent lakhe liconfirmile bafethu akusiyithi likhulumile i-agent lakhe uMike Makhabe. uMike Makhabe uyakhuluma bafethu ayiyeke ayikho into ayifihlayo lo baba lo. But umanager uSipho Mbulu, umanager one of the biggest stars, umanager namamene nabo-coach, umanager nje everything under i-agency yakhe. Uyazikhulumela. Siyazi ukuthi uye wakhuluma nendaba yokuthi uSipho Mbuli umthathile amisa ku-Kaizer Chiefs or utshela i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bangamsayina sokulele kubo and then lento ya-divide ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs or ya-divide ama-fans overall in the country ukuthi kumele bamsayine abanye bathi kumele bangamsayini uyisidakwa. So meyikhuluma uyazi ukuthi uqala something ukuphoka ama-fans and then ama-fans adrive ama-conversations online and then kuba nebuzz. Namanje uyamarketha njengoba thi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyamfuna ne-Orlando Pirates. Noma kuthiwa bayamfuna, why can't they keep this thing lento lana behind closed doors until if i-deal yenzeka? I-Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthi esayidini labo bafethu ba-desperate ukuthi ba-restore i-glory days and badinga i-technician, umuntu o-strong or man hayi man why ngithi i-technician ngoba i-technician enye into. So badinga umuntu o-strong ozokwazi ukuba lead. I mean technical side of the game in terms of vision ne-authority, umuntu ozokwazi ukuba leader. I mean they've tried coaches aba-different but-ke even o-coach abane-experience but-ke abakwazi ukubasiza. Maybe manje bazama ama-co-coaches nama-assistant managers sobona ukuthi leyo nto izobasiza kangakanani but-ke badinga i-direction nomuntu-ke o-brave, one-bravado person uzokwazi ngempela ukubasiza and knowing ukuthi Manqoba Mngqethu uyabhilivela kuma-young stars ne-local talent, ufitha kahle kuloko ku-DNA ye-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba basabhilida. So le tactician lingakwazi ngempela ukubasiza. Bengithi that's why ngiphozile ukuthi ngilisho kahle le gama. Angakwazi ngempela ukubasiza. Other side, obviously, other side of Soweto, which is Orlando Pirates, I think at the moment they are covered ngocoach wabo uWadu ukuthi uwinile i-MTN 80 namanje uyacompete for i-Carling knockout, is still gonna fight for i-league. Siyazi kube ne-disappointment ye-continental level, but I think they are good. If khona i-team edinga uManqoba Mngqithi more, I would say i-Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously ilo yakhe i-agent yakhe uMike Makhaba mekhuluma ngokuthi-ke akafuni just ukusayina nanoma yiphi i-team but udinga i-project e-right, or it's not just about a big name. Kuchaza ukuthi nje obviously-ke i-interest ingaba khona from o-Kaizer Chiefs o-Orlando Pirates, but-ke kumele bamnike i-project e-right nama-resources are-right. It's not just about the size nje kuphela. But-ke obviously-ke i-team enkulu efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukum-ofara leyo nto leyo and everything. Imtshele nje babe honest naye ukuthi okay mfethu uze ethimini enkulu sokunika ama-player uthi uyawafuna lesi ayi-5 or so, or sinama-players a-good, what can you do nalama-player lawa? Bheka ku-Golden Arrows baphethe abafana nje besingabazi kakhulu abaningi, but-ke uyakwazi ukuthena average players to like ama-superstars wase-South Africa. Look at what Ndlovu is doing. And unike umfana omncane ona-17 laphana, umdlalisa lo mfana sedlala laphana ku-under 17 World Cup, umnike i-start laphana ku-Golden Arrows. So umuntu ngempela ongakwazi uku-collaborate ne-DDC team ye-Kaizer Chiefs because of banama-superstars, ama-super young talent alaphana but awathola ama-opportunities. So umuntu ofana noManqoba Mngqithi angeza ku-Kaizer Chiefs afike ashintshe izinto. But-ke ukukhuluma sithi angayishintsha izinto, but-ke given all the resources thola ukuthi i-pressure too much, i-team ayihlangani, abakwazi ukujela thola ukuthi angadeliver, but based on i-CV yakhe nale wacoach ngakhona, I think mina ngaba yi-success. But baningi ocoach ababazamile abaze nama-big CVs ku-Kaizer Chiefs azange babe i-success. Asazi ngempela, asazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. But I think kufanele i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Orlando Pirates obviously ba-obsess ngama-instant results. uManqoba Mngqithi-ke maybe angaba i-standout symbol in terms of maybe in terms of i-pedigree yakhe ne-history yakhe, but-ke angadinga i-patience ne-structure ne-long term vision, hayi ukuthi bavele bamtshele ukuthi ama-results manje. So kulele kuye-ke uManqoba, well nama-teams ukuthi by the time maybe kuba ne-opening isikhala futhi, because isovuleka isikhala kuma-big 2 of South African football, because I mean if they don't get ama-results, for sure they have to push for uManqoba Mngqithi if they don't get ama-results manje or this season. Every season Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, they sit down and then bayabona, bayahlala phansi bayasho ukuthi okay season bokuyi-success or bafeyilile, and then babona ukuthi banga-improve kuphi. Potentially-ke bangathi okay let's get a new coach, and then what about ucoach wala e-South Africa oproven in terms of ama-results, abaziyo ukuthi angakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeka for i-team. But-ke kulele kuwa ama-giants of South African football ukuthi wona azo-reacta kanjani. Manqoba Mngqithi could be available. It's not difficult vele ukuthi bamthole uManqoba Mngqithi because uku-Golden Arrows. Financial muscles i-Golden Arrows ayinawo that much. Konke kulele kuphi emathimini ukuthi approach njengoba i-interest bayibonisile, but-ke ufuna into straight because of now uyi-solid character. Ufuna into straight, bamtshela ukuthi okay this is what we expect, naye abatshela ukuthi mani expect into kanje nekanje nakanje, unike nama-resource akanje. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, esimake sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.